The first thing that we're going to do is go into the email that we want to have a hyperlink into, and I'm going to add it to this right here. Go to another tab that has what I want to copy, and I'm going to copy the hyperlink. This is a course that I have, a free course on how to launch your first course, a course for beginners. So what I'm going to do is have that link copied. Then I'm going to highlight the text that I want, and then I'm going to hit this link. So this little link here, I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to click inside the box and paste it. Now it's going to automatically hyperlink it, but people want to be able to tell that it's hyperlinked. So I personally always like to bold it, underline it, have it linked, and then I like to make the font color blue, just because that's what catches people's eyes and they're used to see blue hyperlink underlined. So that is how you do a link. Now you can also click it and hit the X, and it's going to delete that link for you. It's going to keep the color and the underline, so make sure that you do remove it if you want to remove the link. But again, we're just going to highlight it, and then we're going to hit the link, and then we're going to paste it. Now we can do link actions as well, and that is going to add them to a subscriber. But I have a full other video on link actions that I'll have at the end of this, so definitely check that out. But another thing that we can do is we're going to add it down here. Actually, we'll do that. Free, bold, underline, link, paste it, make it blue. And then I'm going to also show you how to do it to an image. So we're going to click in the image, and then you're going to see on the right, this is going to pop up. So I'm going to go to link and then just paste it. So that is how you add a link to an image. So when people read the email, they're going to be able to click on this and it goes right to that link. Next up, watch my video on how to do link actions in Flodesk, how to make it so that if someone clicks on your link, it's automatically going to add them to a segment or a workflow. All of that, I'm going to walk you through how to do that in this video here.